Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to know what drives you to travel. What are you hoping to experience?
For me, it's the thrill. I'm always seeking new challenges, hiking up the mountain, exploring the unknown, pushing my limit is what excites me the most.
Adventure leads you to seek the unknown, to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. It's a journey of personal growth and discovery.
I travel to connect with different cultures. I want to learn about traditions, taste local food, and understand the way people live. Every place has its own story.
For some, culture is the motivator. Every interaction, every tradition you witness, helps you understand the world more deeply. It opens your heart to new ways of living.
And for me, understanding a new culture makes me appreciate how diverse and beautiful our world really is.
And that's the beauty of travel. Whether it's through adventure or cultural exploration, travel shapes us, opens our minds, and changes the way we see the world.